A complete tour will take at least 2 hours to be complete. Now, we're at the Garden Road. The interchange stop will be at stop number 1, Sungai Wang Plaza, Bukit Bintang. We also have 26 stops altogether, and we cover more than 60 major attractions. If you plan to hop off the next bus, we will run for the next 20 to 30 minutes. While hopping on the bus, please be alert and make sure to take all belongings with you and keep your ticket safely, as you need to show your ticket to get on the next bus. When planning your journey, try to be at any of our stops before 5 p.m. as the traffic will be congested and the tour will finish at 6 p.m. Thank you for choosing our service and we have of KL Kapanapap I Group. All of you will enjoy yourself having a tour with us. Thank you, terima kasih.
Ini mana harapan kau bilang tadi?
Harapan deh, ini yang baru deh, dulu dekat baru baru launching kayak gitu.